What is Sola AI token? So this token came under the symbol of Sola. So as you can see, they have 19,000 followers in their X account. If you go to their X account, they include their website there. If you go to their website, as you can see, scroll down, and as you can see, we'll find this about Sola AI token. So Sola AI is a personalized voice assistant that integrates LLM models with the Solana blockchain technology. It allows users to seamlessly interact with the top protocols in the Solana ecosystem using natural voice commands powered by an intelligence UX. So if you click on read our docs, and as you can see, you will find much more information about this token. So as you can see, the overview of Sola, the making blockchain action effortless, automated workflow, and you in the sidebar you will see a much more information. If you click on any of the tabs here, you will find another information about this token. Now make sure to check all of that information here to know more about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on the explainer. It's created a 6 days ago. The market cap of that token is $4.4 million. The volume is $1.8 million, and the liquidity it's $300,000, and it locked by 9%. That's good. That's my investment in the safe place. So as you can see, this is the Sola AI token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.